How to use one Snapchat account on two devices without password. So let's begin. First, make sure that you are connected with the internet, and once connected with the internet, you need to open up your Snapchat application. After opening the application, here you need to click on this profile icon at the top left corner. Then here you can see that my Snapchat username. And after this, you need to open your Snapchat account on your other mobile device. As soon as you open it, let me tell you that Snapchat only allows you to log into your account on one device at a time. You cannot use the same account on two devices at once. You cannot log in at the same time on two devices. So if you want to log in on another device, you first need to log out of your account on the first device. Then on the next device or mobile or any other device, you can log in. In this way, you can use one Snapchat account on two devices, but not simultaneously. Subscribe and like and share this video to your friends.